What's the meaning of carry? Carry. Carry.
Carry. Carry. Carry is a verb that can have multiple meanings depending on the context. One of its common meanings is to transport or move something from one place to another. For example, a person may carry groceries from the store to their home. Another meaning of carry is to support or bear the weight of something. For instance, a bridge must be strong enough to carry the weight of cars and trucks. In general, carry implies an action of conveying or holding something with a degree of effort or responsibility.